Alright guys, we are up to the 8-box break number 5 of the new 2020 Topps Stadium Club Baseball. It was random teams. Here are your teams.
One correction, that is Marlins Rangers, not Brewers Rangers. Brewers are by themselves.
We also had one trade Dodgers for Cubs. Alright.
Yeah, it's still an M logo.
Box is in a bad place there. We're not having any missing box toppers today. Box toppers are going to a lot to be random at the end unless they are autographed. Canseco.
I mean, topper itself has to be autographed, not showing a picture of a player autographing. Like that Canseco. I think there's a number of variations in this where it shows players signing autographs.
And the one where everybody's just reaching their hand out, like weirdos. Sandy Koufax. Black foil. Forgot I wasn't saying... Well, I was saying all of them, I'm just not stopping on them. That was the deal, right? So we came to... Kana. Red foil.
Yeah, Sandy. There's a lot of batting pitchers in this one, too.
A Power Zone red foil Vladdy.
So Greinke was batting.
Cool Breeze.
Wainwright was running the bases.
Aaron Nola, Emperors of the Zone. Lewis Thorpe, red foil.
Yeah, and into double fist bump.
Oh no, Tim, don't make fun of me. I've been just in a crappy mood today, so I'm trying not to be now. Vladimir Guerrero, Bash and Burn. So, I didn't... Am my hand shaky, you mean? Oh, what am I doing now? Orange Power Zone, Mark McGuire for the Cardinals, number 33 of 50. Tim. And an In the Wings, Fernando Tatis. Could be your wonderful selves, UCCF. Chris Bryant, Power Zone. Jamies. Oh, Brock Burke. Our first autograph for Texas.
Oh, see, it is all Rangers autos.
We knew that was going to happen.
Always.
Cranky Yankee. We knew there was going to be a Brock Burke. There's been a Brock Burke in every break I think we've done so far.
It's true.
Lincecum. Red foil.
There was no other way for that to play out.
So Robert. Rookie. A Chipper Jones. Chrome. For the Braves. K-Line. Black foil. Brian Anderson. Red foil.
Oh, Brian's not here to appreciate that chipper.
Brian's ditching. Actually, he's probably just watching and not chatting. Clevenger, Emperors of the Zone. Kyle Schwarber. Black and white. For the Cubs.
No wonder his fielding's so bad. He doesn't face the right direction. Ball's coming towards home plate, not the outfield.
Oh, yeah, so the Cubs aren't going to be in the right spot. But I know UCCF has them, so that's not a big deal. Bash and Burn Bo Bichette. There's our Almar card. Nolan Ryan. Red foil.
I gotta try to mock the Cubs a little bit. Looks like they're gonna destroy the Cardinals this weekend.
David Wright, Power Zone.
Did he? Do you look embarrassed?
Mauricio Dubon autograph. Rookie auto for the Giants, 7 Costanza. Morton, red foil.
Do they have to remind him?
Ichiro. Did you? Ryan did not put his outfit on last night, by the way.
Yeah. It was in the wash. Starting to wear it out.
Well, that's not even... That's
Live
nothing. Zach Gallen. Black foil. Dylan Cease. Red foil.
I always look good in that get-up. That's why it's dirty.
Hank Aaron Refractor Chrome. This look nice.
Yeah, good point, Sam. If anybody's having issues with the stream, please let us know.
Everybody so far is responding.
It seems like, yeah, chat's up to speed too.
Hater. Red foil. I did have ice cream last night. Way too late at night, but I didn't care.
Somebody went through the drive-thru and got her 4 pints. Yeah. Because Culver's has a special. 4 pints for what, $10 or whatever?
Something like that.
It's a steal.
Oh, there's a members only Carl Yastrzemski card. I feel like I'm getting ready to toss this like it's a disc when I hold it like this. I do like that I can read it. Boston, anyway. UCCF. It is you.
Both, Stoma. I mean, we're not going to do anything about either issue, but you can let us know.
Tim. We all do miss gifts, I think. McGuire, Power Zone.
Yeah, 4 pints. So they do 4 pints for $10.
Luzardo for Oakland autograph. Robert. And a Mike Trout red foil.
Yeah, there's supposed to be a YouTube stream, a Facebook live stream, and of course the Twitch stream, and Twitch is where the chat is. So
that's a nice one. Mookie Chrome for the Dodgers.
If anybody is watching elsewhere and chatting, do the other ones have chat? I don't know if Facebook Live has chat.
You can comment, so it's it's kind of like chat.
Comment, okay.
Yeah,
Oh,
but it just scroll, you know. The Chessie, red foil.
I'll do. Okay. So yeah, if anybody's chatting not on Twitch, apologize, we cannot see you right now. We only have the Twitch chat going.
No Syndergaard, Emperors of the Zone. Sam, well, he's here. I'm sure he'd love to chat with everybody in all the other groups.
Yeah, he can keep him busy.
That's who you really want to talk to. Lou Gehrig, black and white for the Yankees. Tim A. No, we definitely... You do not want me monitoring 3 chats. I have enough trouble as is. Ricky Henderson, Bash and Burn. I still love that little card.
Unless somebody wants to come and start mounting monitors on the wall.
Come mount over here for a while, Sam. 9 of 99, Luzardo. Orange Chrome. Oakland again, Bobbert.
I still don't like that they call those orange chrome. I'm just going to call those orange refractors.
Yeah, I don't know.
Because it's orange. It's a refractor.
Soroka in the wings. What do you mean in one window? Oh, when you said you could put them all together?
That'd be kind of weird, though, because conversations get broken up, and it's like, well, what is that guy responding to? Unless everybody can see everybody else's. Like, if people on Facebook can see the Twitch chat and all that, if that's what you mean, that would make sense.
Kevin Biggio. Toronto.
Yeah.
Cool Breeze.
Can't tell if that's an autograph or a picture of a boulder rolling down a mountain.
Kind of looks like BB-8 running away from the mountain.
Well, the mountain has a nose on it.
Doesn't it? That's what I see. Austin Riley, red foil. It says Facebook user. Oh, like...
Yeah, it's GIFs, right?
Oh, Lord. Yelich. Box topper.
It's like 37 YouTube comments.
Yeah, we don't need angry people.
Got enough of those around here already.
Yeah, really. Urshela, black foil. Musial, red foil. Zach Greinke, Emperors of the Zone.
We had some Jif peanut butter the other day. I had a great idea. We had some leftover tortillas for making burritos.
Lusaka's red foil.
So I decided to get some peanut butter and chocolate chips out and put it between two tortillas and press them and try to make
Victor Robles, Bash and Burn.
peanut butter chocolate quesadillas or whatever. Turned out pretty good.
My sister said she tries to chat sometimes, but she's always in YouTube. I'm like, well, I don't see it, so. Buster Posey, red foil. Sorry, I wasn't ignoring you. Power Zone, Vladdy. I'm not big on bananas in my desserts. Mike Soroka, red foil autograph.
I think that's the first one of those we've seen.
Second.
14
of 50. Red foil Mike Soroka. The Jacob deGrom we had was also a red foil.
See, I know people don't like the horizontal autographs, but on these non-border type cards, I think those look really cool.
I don't have a strong opinion. Grandal, red foil. Take a guess, Swabby. Do I seem like an older child or a younger child to you?
Or just a child in general.
Well, we know I'm a child. Seattle, Ichiro, Chrome. This guy, I can never pronounce his name. Black foil. Runny eggs are fantastic, and we love our warm ketchup. Yates, red foil. I am older. Oh my god. I'm older. Giolito, Emperors of the Zone.
So much older.
Yes, I'm the oldest of all my relatives. Zick, you know what I mean. All the cousins and everything.
Older than your grandma. And
Shut up. Shut up. I knew someone was going to say it. I don't need you. Cool Breeze, black and white. You know what I'm... Tim A. Swear, of course you would say that. Mike Trout, of whatever we are.
Your generation.
Of my generation, I'm the oldest. So is Ryan. Both old people. A 56 of 99 Devers black foil in the wings. Devers to 99.
That's kind of a mid to low end Adaptoid.
I'm a Vampire ACA.
There's really no low end products these days. I mean, this is, I call it a mid level.
Trout, Power Zone.
I mean, if opening day or something like that would be a low end, it's definitely higher than that.
Anthony K. autograph for Toronto. Cool breeze. It's a tree. Yep, you're behind again. That was like 20 seconds ago. Ozuna, red foil. Tell me when I start on the second box. Or the next box, I should say.
We have to give like a cue or something. I mean, what's
okay?
Starting on the box, taking the wrapper off. Or
now.
Okay.
Aquino. Oh, that's a good one. I'm going to wait for him to say now again because we argued for like 30 seconds about it. Or maybe he was. It was just that fast.
You got to have a very clear cue.
Yeah. I'm already done. It doesn't matter.
Gave up on that game?
I'm done. I'm done with that game. I'm not going to worry about it. Shedlong, black foil. Yeah, they go into a lot at the end to be randomed. Daryl Strawberry, red foil.
Yeah. It was in the break description.
Paddock, Emperors of the Zone. Wait, what am I? Oh, Serenity now. Yeah. Zick, red foil. Why are we ding ding ding?
I thought we boop.
That's when you're done.
Oh.
Ricky Henderson, Bash and Burn. Oh man, here's our Instavision Mike Trout.
Case hit. That's a nice one.
Instavision. I really do like this look. This is gels.
JMBB.
It's BBB. JMBBB. Some BBB.
On that one is BBB.
Yeah.
In chat, it's 2 B's.
Yeah, right.
2 B's or not 2 B's? That is the question.
JMBBB. BBB. Anyway, that's awesome. No boop yet. We're not finished. Power Zone, Aaron Judge. Didn't it used to be where you could actually see, like, Keston Hira? It's a nice one. Brewers.
He's planning you pulling his autograph. Like, yeah, this is a nice one.
Hira autograph. Dietrich, red foil. Jake Rogers, chrome for Detroit, and a Garrett Cole, black foil. All cards go to the Rangers. Robles. Oh, that's a first day issue. We got the members only and the first day issue. Jeez. Not bad, though. Robles for Washington. Tim A, first day issue. That's one of those 10 copies, I believe.
Yep.
Come on, cards. Glass now.
The only one we haven't seen yet is the photographer's proof, right?
Yep.
Which, based on the odds, I guess there's only like 8 of each of those.
Gleyber Torres, red foil. That card still makes me laugh, even if Tatis, Bash and Burn. Just keep that card out. Miko in the wings.
Surprised you haven't commented on this one, Sam Hilliard.
Looks like he's trying to make moose ears.
Yeah, it's Bullwinkle.
Is that what he's doing? That's what he's doing.
Sure, why not?
I mean, it is what he's doing, whether he is or not. Just like Clayton Kershaw's pretending to be a palm tree. He felt inspired. Austin Meadows autograph. Tampa Bay Rays. Mississippi. Austin Meadows auto. Stroman. Red foil.
Yeah, there's a couple of these that would be nice to get full-size posters or whatever they're called.
Oh, there's the Aaron Judge giving the fist bump.
Full-size fist bump. Show her the cleat. Love it for Spike.
Oh my god. Manny Machado, black foil. Abreu, red foil.
I thought that mantle's propping up your table, UCCF.
Ooh. An Alvarez refractor chrome. Houston, Frank. Ohtani, Emperors of the Zone.
Somewhere you got half dozen cards on it, you just said. Clear those cards off, you can find it.
Danny Jansen, red foil. Yeah, Jordan's nice. Robert, rookie. Yelich, Bash and Burn. Still like this one. Sam, does he look at all like Paul Rudd to you if you don't really look? He's gonna say no. Don't say no. Say yes even if you don't mean it.
I already said no.
You like, I guess I can kind of see it if you insist.
If I squint and look at a picture of Paul Rudd and ignore the card, then yeah, I can see it.
Randy Johnson, red foil. Mismanagement. Soto, Power Zone.
Seavers everywhere.
I just always test him. Matt Thias, autograph for the Angels. JMBBB. Matt Thias autograph. Dansby Swanson, red foil. Yelich, chrome. That looks really nice. And they all look nice, but that one looks especially nice for some reason to me. Milwaukee. Savali, black foil.
Chrome is another one that looks better in person than it does on the camera.
Gary Sanchez, red foil.
Bent up tape.
Brendan McKay, Emperors of the Zone. Yamamoto, red foil.
Hey, top ones cost more than the Tatis these days.
Bash and Burn, Robles. In the wings, Cody Bellinger. Alvarez, Power Zone. Oh no. He's judging even more harshly today.
Tim A had to sell a few trouts to get that case.
Austin Nola for Seattle. Tim A, Austin Nola auto. Eddie Rosario, red foil. Yeah, more I don't need him judging me, too. Tim Lincecum, that's a new one for the box stoppers.
1956 to date? Wow.
That's awesome.
It's like a freaking museum. Still, that's something we need to do once, all of us get our piles and collections cleaned up here in the next.
Ortiz black foil.
But people give tours of some of their top cards and collections and whatnot.
Baez red foil. I think we all just have to be honest with that's never going to happen and just tour our nightmares.
Yeah. We'll just show our piles.
Patrick Corbin, Empress of the Zone.
It's kind of like seeing Paul Rudd in that card. If you squint really hard, there's some good cards in this pile.
Austin Meadows, red foil.
$250 for a pack and a K. That's solid.
Mookie Betts, Bash and Burn.
Tim with the steal today.
Tanaka, red foil. That one's one Ryan is saying. He's surprised I haven't said anything. Does look like.
Hey, it's bowling.
Ken Griffey Jr. Power Zone. Alex Young autograph for Arizona. UCCF Alex Young autograph. And a Villar red foil. Bryce Harper pulling up his pants. Chrome. For the Phillies, the Red Fox. Chaniger. Black foil.
It's a tough crowd today.
Hank Aaron. Red foil. Right? Yeah. Totally. Verlander, Empress of the Zone. Bubba Starling. Black and white for Kansas City. Sneaky Royals hit. Tron Travolta.
Happy for that guy just getting a rookie card.
Who? I forgot already.
Bubba.
Bryce Harper, Bash and Burn.
Finally made it to the show.
Dustin May. Is that a short print? It is. Variation. Dustin May for the Dodgers. So the Dodgers was in the trade, right? So that's Tim A. Dustin May. Variation. Alvarez in the wings. Jimmy's. Power Zone Ohtani.
Yeah, who would win in the hair battle? Dustin Make variation or the Boba Fett variation?
Boba Fett, in my opinion.
I don't know.
Nick Solak. Autograph for Texas. Cranky Yankee.
All those Rangers.
Aquino. Red foil rookie.
Yeah, with Gurro.
Yeah, that's how I am UCCF. I just see Carrot Top. Kyle Lewis. Nice box topper for the lot. John Means, black foil. Lorenzo Cain, red foil. Walker Buehler, red foil in the wings for the Dodgers.
Hoagie.
Emperors of the Zone class now. In the mood. Byron Buxton. Red foil.
I've never gotten into potato salad.
I don't think I've ever had potato salad.
I don't dislike it, I just don't go for it.
Juan Soto, Bash and Burn. Yadier Molina, red foil. Power Zone Jimenez. I really don't think I've ever eaten it.
I'm more of a coleslaw than a potato salad guy.
Zach Collins for the White Sox. Matty H. Zach Collins autograph. Endeavor's red foil. I don't think I've ever had potato salad. Manny Machado, chrome for San Diego. Tim A. You have to remember, Robles red black foil. I only ate chicken strips, pizza, and peanut butter jelly as a kid. Like, that's it. So anything else I've had to have eaten as an adult, and potato salad for some reason has never looked like something I would want to try. Paddock, red foil. Yeah, I just became an adult, like, recently.
Well, I mean, tell me this. You like salad, right?
Like lettuce and salad? Yes.
What other salad?
Okay,
Salad.
yeah.
You like potatoes?
Yes.
Okay, well,
but
give it a
what
try.
What is the gunk?
The gunk?
Is it like mayonnaise and stuff?
There's a little mustard, mayonnaise.
Yeah, see, mustard and mayonnaise
Mixy.
I never liked as a
I
kid.
mean, people make it a little different, but...
Black and white Gleyber Torres for the Yankees. Tim A. Just because I haven't tried potato salad doesn't mean there isn't good potato salad here. Otani, Bash and Burn. I just have not had any interest in trying it. Juan Soto, Power Zone, black foil, 25 of 99. For Washington, Tim A. Gavin Lux in the wings.
She won't remember, but Jules has had German potato salad when we went to Herman at the winery. I don't know how coherent she was when she tried it, but...
David Wright, Power Zone. I did.
Yeah, you did like it at the time.
Was it like... I've had like a potato casserole thing that had like crispy stuff and cheese and stuff in it, but that's not potato salad.
No, it's a casserole.
Right. I don't remember ever having real potato salad. Jake Rogers for Detroit. Adam M. Jake Rogers autograph. Keuchel, red foil. So what is... No one ever said... Did anybody say what potato salad's made out of? I need to know. Like, what's the mix? What do we make it with? Luzardo.
Potatoes.
Box topper. Stop it. I'm assuming it's mayonnaise.
Boil and mash up, stick in the stew.
And I did not pretty much have any mayonnaise at all until I discovered that I liked garlic aioli, and then I learned that that's just garlic and mayonnaise.
Yeah. It's really the mustard mayo mix.
Yeah, I don't eat mustard, so except for like fancy mustard. I like fancy mustard. Justin Turner, black border, or black. I'm doing that again. Black foil. An egg? No. Nope. Really gray. Just a big old no. Corey Seager, red foil.
Yeah, Jules has to have her pinky out when she's having mustard.
Altuve. I don't mean fancy mustard. What do I mean? Red foil, bash and burn. Carrot Cole, Empress Ozone. Like the one that's like the big seeds and it's like... I forgot. Like not spicy. I guess it's spicy mustard. I don't know. We've had it before in Blue Aprons and I actually started liking it from that. Bryce Harper, red foil.
Hey, hippie.
Fine, someone come make me fantastic, delicious potato salad and I'll try it. Just come on over here. Bash and Burn, Ken Griffey Jr. I'll try it live on camera. It'll be fun.
Jules tries food. That's what we'll do. Set you up with a bunch of stuff that you've never eaten.
Or send me a recipe and I'll make it. I'm not that lazy. George Brett, Redfall. I'd do it. Let's do that as like on Monday nights or something. Let's everybody send a recipe and I'll get on here and I'll make whatever it is and try it. But within reason. There's a lot of stuff I'm not going to eat.
What's that new Selena Gomez show where she does a professional chef cooks something and then she tries to make it?
Yeah, well.
Do something like that. You'll try to make whatever the recipe is and try it live on camera.
Yeah, it's more about trying to make me look like an adult, but not really. Urquity. Houston. Autograph. Frank. Calhoun. You guys could be disgusted by the amount of foods that I've never tried in my life.
Yeah, cooking with Jules.
We talked about doing that with movies, too. I said I would watch a movie and then talk about it, what I thought about it. Didn't do that either.
Well, that's what you can do. You can pick one of your favorite wines, talk about the wine while you try the food.
Yeah. Hey, Brian. Castanera in the wings.
Someone did say food.
That is something funny, though. You know, now that I say that, when I was a kid, I would eat the inside of deviled eggs. So I really have no excuse. Rizzo, Power Zone, I don't eat them anymore. But when I was a little kid, I did. Mongrels.
Well, you also said you used to eat fish sticks when you were a kid. Now you won't eat those.
I'd eat fish sticks today still, I think. Brian Reynolds. Autograph for Pittsburgh. I used to eat them with ketchup, though. Gobs of ketchup.
Oh, God.
I did. Fish sticks with ketchup.
Frozen fish sticks with ketchup.
Uh-huh. That was my only introduction to fish when I was a kid.
No wonder you wouldn't eat fish for years. Hey, that's another one of your adult foods.
What?
Nice grilled fish.
Yeah, I eat especially like barramundi barramundi's my favorite. Or what's the other one? Max Scherzer Chrome for Washington.
A red snapper.
Red snapper, yes.
Oh, tasty.
Escobar Black Foil. What? I said I did when I was a kid.
I forget she was a kid last year.
Such a disappointment.
She only recently tried apple pie and became an adult.
I tried apple pie like 10 years ago now.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. It was that Tippins
It was.
caramel one that was like...
Caramel apple crumb pie.
Yeah, it was amazing. You can't not like apple pie after trying that. Scherzer, Empress of the Zone.
I had pulled pork, 2 nights ago?
I don't know, we're still arguing at DV. We're not sure what qualifies. Jig Rogers, Red Foil.
I can tell you it qualifies, but this is a PG channel, so we won't go there.
But we're talking about what qualifies for me.
Okay. Alright, random for the box toppers. 8 times on the blue box. Here we go.
I've heard of chili with peanut butter. Never had apple pie and cheddar cheese, though. I keep meaning to try the chili and peanut butter one. Yeah, like you have a peanut butter sandwich with chili. I don't know. I've heard a lot of people say it. I've just never done it.
Phillies, the Red Fox. You get box toppers. Let me make a note of that one real quick.
Alright, so hit recap for 8-box break number 5. We had a Mike Soroka red foil autograph. That one is numbered 14 of 50. Hira autograph. Austin Meadows. Alex Young. Jake Rogers. Brian Reynolds. Urquity. Zach Collins. Nick Solak. Matt Thias. Austin Nola. Anthony Kay. Cavendiggio. Luzardo. Dubon. Brock Burke. We had a first day issue Robles. And a Yastrzemski members only. Instavision, Mike Trout. You had one variation in there, Dustin May. Some numbered inserts. We had a black foil Soto. It's numbered to 99. In the wings, Devers, numbered to 99. A orange Power Zone Mark McGuire, numbered to 50. Some black and white cards, Gleyber Torres, Bubba Starling, Zick, Lou Gehrig, Kyle Schwarber. An orange chrome to 99, Luzardo. Refractor Alvarez, Refractor Hank Aaron. Regulars Mookie Betts, Jake Rogers, Max Scherzer, Bryce Harper, Christian Yelich, Manny Machado, Ichiro, and Chipper Jones.